Okay, so we're gonna race again. I thought I was teaching at 11, but actually it's at 11:30. So my next English lesson is then, so I have a bit of free time. So we'll again try multiplayer and go with this car again. Let's see. We're doing this without touch drive. Touch drive is turned off. Alrighty then. Let's race. My next lesson is with a lady in Turkey. Turkish student. So we'll see. Oh, yes, I'm using the wrong keys again. Sorry. Bad start. It's out of habit. Alright, here goes. Oops. Yeah, so Turkish student. It's a new student. I don't believe we've met before, so it will be a first one. So we'll probably just do an interview. See how she can do a self-introduction, tell me a little bit about herself. I'll tell her about myself and so on. And yeah, so we'll do that. Come on, that's better. Ooh, much better. Ooh, nearly took me out, almost, but didn't quite. And oh, that was a near miss. Wow. Okay, no. Okay, we're almost at the end. Yeah, bang! Oh, I touched the side, but that's fifth. We didn't lose points. Okay, so 5 out of 8. We didn't lose any points, so not too bad. Okay, got some credits. Oh, there's something here I haven't grabbed yet. We'll just grab that, shall we? Oh, and while we're here, I have 174 tokens. What should I go for? Oh, I'm one short for this one. Oh, that's sad. Oh well. Let's go with this one for now. When we get some more tokens, we'll visit the VIP page again. Oops. Let's go back into there. Okay, so let's have another one, shall we? Guys are probably getting bored of the same car, right? Oh, let's see. This car's handling's not that great. But anyway, let's give it a go, shall we? Mercedes, again. Raced with this the other day, but with touch drive on. Now we're going to race with it with touch drive off. And let's see what happens. Right, so we're going to have a self-introduction with the new student from Turkey, and then we'll see whether she wants to, what her goal is, whether it's preparing for an IELTS examination, or whether she's wanting to, improve her business English, or whether it's just daily speaking, typical daily conversation, so we'll see what it is that she requires assistance with and where we can help her. Maybe it's just growing her vocabulary. So yeah, as I said, we'll find that out later. Yeah, so far I've just had one student this morning for an hour long, and I have another 3 booked, which we'll be doing one shortly, and then 2 more. One's a late evening one, 7 p.m. So hopefully I'm still awake and sharp for 7:30 p.m. 7 p.m. Sorry. Yeah, so we'll see how that goes. No, try to hit me. Oh, and he bumped me enough, so I lost. Oh, that's so sad. Anyway, that's how it goes, eh? Okay, there's a few ahead of me. And can we get there? Oh, okay, that wasn't too bad, was it? That was very bad. 7th. It's going from bad to worse, guys and gals. Bad to worse. Let's see, what's the time? 6 minutes past 11. Let's do one more, shall we? Okay, let's not do the Mercedes. Shall we go? Yeah, this is definitely worthwhile taking again. Just stop crashing. Or bumping the sides. Be a little bit more accurate with turns. It's timing the turns right and not power sliding into the sides. That's always the problem, because you lose a lot of momentum forward and yeah, lose your top speed. So here goes. The moment we're doing well. We passed him. Lovely. Oh, he got us back. An Elemento. No, that's definitely not the way to go. It's good to jump that way. We'll do that one rather. Oof, hit debris in the front. That's not so great. Take the jump. Go for a 360 spin. And oh, it's really not the way to do it. Take the jump. Oh no, we didn't get it right. I had a plan and it failed. It's not what was supposed to happen. Ah, that's too high. I took that ramp way too high, and as a result, someone overtook me, or has left me a bit. Okay, so here goes. Do that, then come down, and take the ramp. Turn up here. Don't hit that car on the side. We avoided it. That was good. Okay, let's leave some. There we go. Okay, and the last corner, and here's the finish line. And that was much better. We are second. I wanted to get into the top 3, and we did it. Lovely. Second place. Not first, but second. It's all right. I'm happy with that. So I think we'll leave it at that for now. Thanks for watching.